Okay, so let's talk about what it is that we say derivative of a function. Of course, the derivative of a function is this limiting statement, the limit of the function as we are choosing a specific value, and as the h approaches 0, the distance or the space between the new value and the original value, that is becoming smaller and smaller until there is no h value. Then this limiting operation we use, the limiting operation that we use with the original function, it will create the slope. Now this slope can be a constant value, or it actually itself can be a function. And of course the derivative, we say it's derivative because the new statement, the new expression, the new function is being derived from this f of x, which is right here. And of course these two statements are exactly identical to each other, so there's the same thing. We are talking about the derivative of f of x, so f prime of a and f prime of a down here, and then we can use that to analyze a given function, the curvature, the possibly maximum minimum area, the curvature change, and everything else that needs to be analyzed for the graph.